It's the porcupine. This animal looks small, but it is not a monster in every sense of the word. Porcupines have been able to live among thousands of predators since ancient times. He manages to adapt to them and even scares them. Porcupine has very sharp spines, up to 30 centimeters long. He has about 30,000 thorns in his body. These thorns are the main weapons of the skeletal one. Predators make 1,000 calculations before approaching a porcupine. The spotted tiger tried to hunt the porcupine, which was very careful. It approached the porcupine several times and each time brushed its thorns until the predator saw it and moved away. But the predatory tiger was hungry and risked attacking. In fact, the tiger had managed to eliminate the porcupine, but he wished he had not. Many thorns have entered his body, which can sometimes cause him to die. Getting it out is not easy at all. In many cases, the predator may die from it. Here again the spotted tiger did it. But he regretted it more than the first time. The tiger had to find another prey that was less harmful, but starvation was fatal. The tiger was stubborn and indeed managed once again to kill the porcupine. But the results afterwards were very painful. As soon as you look at this scene, you will feel pity for this poor person. There are a lot of thorns he was exposed to in his face and body. It is very difficult for him to be able to get it out, plus it causes a lot of pain. Here ends this episode. Thank you for watching and another video bye.